All right. So it's opposite. You may think, oh, plus h, then didn't I go to the right side? No, we are thinking 0 of that. All right. So you make it 0, or you can just take the opposite sign. Plus h, then that's minus h, which is negative. When you have minus h, then you change sign, plus h. So it's positive, so you move to the right. All right. So you need to think about the opposite sign. All right. And here's other one. You see plus 2 outside of the absolute value. Minus 3 outside of the absolute value. Before we had inside, right? You see the difference? When it's inside, that's moving to the moving to the right or left. So this one will be moving to the up and down. So let's try one graph from here. So I told you inside of the absolute value, if this is 0, then that is your vertex. So this time you don't see anything, so it is 0. So my vertex is 0, right? And then negative 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So let's do it. So let's put 0 into x. Then we get 0 plus 2. That is 0. So nothing plus 2. So will be 2. So 2 here. When you put negative 1 plus 2, then you get absolute value of negative 1 is 1. So 1 plus 2, 3. Right? When it's negative 2. I don't know why I put my number outside of the table. You can put it inside, right? Negative 2 plus 2, then that is 2 plus 2, 4. When you put negative 3 plus 2, absolute value of negative 3 plus 2, which is 3 plus 2, 5. Absolute value of negative 4 plus 2, then you get 4 plus 2, which is 6. So let's put it in, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and when it's 1, because that's my vertex, something different here. It does not follow this pattern. So let's put 1 plus 2. Then you get 1 plus 2, which is 3. When you put 2, then you get 2 plus 2, which is 4, right? 5. That's 6, right? So 6, 5, 4. Hold on. Oh, that's negative 4 and 6. All right, I'm sorry. So negative 4, then 6. And negative 3, then 5. Negative 2, then 4, like this. Negative 1, then 3. 0, then 2, 1, then 3, 2, then 4, 3, then 5, 4, then 6. Is it? So that is my graph. Okay, and you can try this one, guys. But you know, obviously that's minus 3, so it will go down 3, right? It will go down 3. So you can check that one. You do it by yourself. And then look, summary. So when you have that form, then graph shifted up k unit. So it goes up. Up and down is exactly the same. When you have plus k, then you go up. Minus k, then go down. Shifted down k units. Okay? And the next page. So here's the practice. Here's the practice. A translation is shift of a graph vertically, horizontally, or both. Right? You can do both. So look at this one more time. x plus h, then we translate it's same as shifts, move, and like go, you can say that. So it's like sliding, actually sliding. Move right to the left, up and down, like this. You just have the same shape and then you're just like shifting it like this. So plus h, then translates h units to the left, right? Minus h, then you move it to the right. And it's plus h outside, then you go up, upward. And minus h, downward. Alright? So, writing equations of an absolute value function from its graph. Write an equation for each translation of y equals absolute value of x shown below. So we have this example. So look, we need to write this one, but you know what? Our parent function, absolute value of x, that was right here, right? This is our parent function, like this. Then look, what happened from here to here? From here to here, you go there, then you need to go down. How much? 1, 2, 3. You need to go down 3, right? So down, which is here, down, how much? 3. Then we do minus 3. So this graph is y equals absolute value of x minus 3, right? And then what is my vertex? My vertex is 0, negative 3, okay? And let's look at this. Let's look at this one. Then this one, my parent function, which is my original, that's over here, right? It started from 0, 0. And then look, what happened? It shifts 1 unit to the right, 1 to the right, 1 to the right, right, then minus inside, 1 to the right, minus inside, like this, right? So vertex is what? 1 that makes your inside 0, inside of the absolute value 0, which is 1, and outside, do you have anything? Nothing. So you just put 0. Okay, so that's my vertex. And look at E. Look at E. So from 0, 0, that's my parent function. Right, that is my parent function. And think about it, from 0, 0 to this point. Oh, that's like more than 2 translation here. So first, to get there, because we can go diagonally, we can go like that. So you just think about this coordinates like a street. Then we can go diagonally. You can follow the streets, right? So this axis, those are the streets. So you can, oh, from here to here, Ms. Hong, I can go like this. No, you need to go right, left, or up and down, all right? So from here to here, you need to go left 3 first, like this, right? You go to the, I'm going to write it here, left 3 units. And after that, you go up 3, right? So left 3, up 3. I'm sorry, up 2. That's up 2. So let's write it. Y equals absolute value, right? Inside we put right or left. Right or left. I have left 3. Left, then it's opposite. So plus 3. X plus 3. Then you think about the opposite sign, then that's negative 3, which means left, right? So x plus 3 and up 2. So up 2. All right? So that means left 3, up 2. So my vertex is, change the sign here. From the inside, you change the sign. Negative 3. From outside, you put 2. Okay, so this is my vertex. Okay, so guys, the next page, yeah, it's your work. So this is just you're sketching it and then you're getting your vertex. So for example, from here, that one, I'm gonna try this. Then your vertex is what? Change sign from here, 6. Just take the same number, 2, right? So you plot your vertex, 6, -2. So you go to 6, -2, and then you draw it like this. Your slope is 1, so go by 1, like that. All right, so this page, you're just like finding vertex from the equation, and then you graph it, okay? And when you turn, you have exit ticket. That means our today's lesson is done. So please complete all these pages, and then you unload your exit ticket, guys. That's multiple choice, all right? If you have any question, again, you can make comments on Google Classroom, or you can send me a text message through what is that? Remind, all right? So guys, thank you guys. Please do your work, do your homework, classwork, exit ticket, unload everything, and when you're done, let me know so that I can check your work. All right? Have a good day and stay safe. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.